Hello, my viewers from all over the world. I bring you a good update. If you are from Nigeria or India and you are interested in working in Kuwait, there is a good news for you. There is a company in Kuwait that is looking for car and motorcycle drivers. And they specifically want people from Nigeria and Kuwait. Don't worry about the visa and your travel stuff. They are going to sponsor everything. You don't have to pay anybody a dime. You don't have to pay anything. The only thing you need to do is to just submit your document. And what I mean by document is your international passport. Then if there is any other thing the company is requesting from you, like what do you call it, medical certificate, good conduct, because most of these companies, they usually ask for good conduct certificate from mostly Nigerians. That is to ascertain if you are of good behavior, or if you committed a crime in your country, that kind of a thing, to check your criminal record. If you know that you are pure, you don't have to be afraid to get your good conduct certificate from the police. You see, so that's the only thing. Nobody will ask you to pay a dime. And if at all someone asks you to pay anything, please do not give anybody your money. This is free of charge. I will show you on the website where it is written there that nobody should give any employer or any agency, recruiting agency, money. If any employer or recruiting agency is asking you for money, report that person, report the company, report them. Okay? Report them. It is free of charge. Okay? You do not have to pay anybody anything. So if you're interested, come with me to the screen, to my laptop. Let me show you the details of the job. Okay? Let's go. So guys, when you go to your Google, you type Kuwaitjobs. And press enter. Now you click this first link, the first one. Okay, and it will bring you to this place. Now you see the list of jobs available at the moment. Okay, but for the sake of this video, I have already opened the particular job that I'm telling you guys about. So let's go straight to it. This is it. This is the job here. As you can see here, car and motorcycle drivers wanted from Nigeria and India. Okay, and as you can see here also, they are offering visa. The type of visa they are offering is called Article 18 Ahli. I don't really know what that means, but I believe it's employment visa, of course. Okay, and this is the job description here. And this is, as you can see, this job was posted 5 days ago. It means that the job is still very fresh. Okay, and look at the salary here, 135 Kuwait dinar. Okay, so then how do you apply to this job? How do I apply? How do you apply for this job? Then you go down, scroll down here, and click apply. Then you now put your name here, your email address, then write a cover letter, just a short note, to the employer or the advertiser of this job. Then you come here and attach your CV here. Check mark this "I'm not a robot" and click send. Okay, and click send. That is all. That is how to apply. Okay, then you wait for them to get in touch with you. Okay, remember I said do not pay anybody money. Don't give your money to anyone. Let me show you where it is written that nobody should collect money from you. If anybody is demanding money, please report them. Look at it here. Attention to job seekers. Do not give money to employers or recruiters. The employer should provide all the documents free of charge. including visa and document processing. Okay? Re-recruiting agencies get paid by the employer. They do not need your money. You see, they do not need your money. If an author of a job advert on onekuwaitjobs.com asks for money, please report it. Okay? As you can see, this site does not support job agencies or companies or employers, prospective employers, to collect money from job seekers. So if anyone is asking you for money, please report it. Don't give your money to anyone. Okay? Don't give your money to anyone. So that is it, guys. I'm going to leave the link to this job in the comment section or in the description below. Just click the link and it will bring you to this place. Apply as soon as possible. Time waits for no one, because the more you delay, the more many other people are applying, and they will get the number of people they want, and they will close this job. The job will no longer be available. So if you're interested in moving to Kuwait, this is your opportunity now. Act fast before it is too late. Again, the link is in the description below or in the comment section below. I'm going to leave the link in the description and in the comment section below. Act fast, and remember, do not give money to anyone. Thank you.